Welcome to this 1BizApp video on the home screen, menu bars and the colour coding system. The 1BizApp home screen is made up from several different elements. First, your login details, company name and 1BizApp version number is here. Any 1BizApp tabs you have open can be seen here. Below, your active tasks can be seen. These can be selected and edited. Also, by clicking Add, new tasks can be created. Your active projects can be seen and selected next. As before, they can be selected or created here. Any important information is highlighted with icons. Company news is displayed above here. Your latest news is shown and can be selected. This information can be updated by an administrator. Click on a piece of information of interest to view it. In the top corner, recent financial information is displayed for managers. The tick on the globe means that you've established contact with the 1BizApp servers. And you can see this icon as the sync takes place. On the left hand side is the main menu. Here you can see each of the main tasks of 1BizApp. Each item has its own colour, so you can see at a glance which area of 1BizApp you're in. Companies and contacts are pink, tasks are orange, projects are blue and documents are green. When screens are open, they have the same colour as the menu item, so it's easy to keep track of where you are in 1BizApp. Okay, so let's have a look at this in a bit more detail. Every time you enter an area of 1BizApp, the colours of the menus change to reflect where you are. For example, the projects area is always shown in blue. In addition, each area has a search, so here we're going to look for the word gates. Clicking on one of the results would bring up the details for that project. Next, tasks and information in the viewing area is coloured orange. If we look at the task list from the menu, the list is shown with an orange background. Documents and related items are always shown in green. Here, the document list has only one entry. Finally, the last of our major groups is companies and contacts, always shown in pink. You can now see our tab list along the top, the four windows and their corresponding colours that we've already opened. You can move between these windows easily. Other videos in the series will look at each area in much more detail. Finally, the contacts area shows you your most recent and popular company and contact information. Here you can see your contacts and companies you have responsibility for. These panes are dynamically produced and can be flicked through using the mouse and cursor. These panes can be either individual contacts or company information. This information can be drilled down by clicking on the magnifying glass. Warnings are flagged on the pane, for example if a company has a poor credit rating. Sometimes you might want to flag that a company owes you money and is blocked from further business. On the pane you can see the main contact details and an email can be composed directly from this screen. This has been a general introduction to the home screen showing the main areas and how they are used in 1BizApp. Each area is explained in much more detail in other videos in the 1BizApp series. They can be found on the 1BizApp channel of YouTube and also the website www.1bizapp.co.uk.